Money is a medium of exchange. We use money for buying goods. In earlier days, people used barter system to buy or sell goods. People used to exchange one goods for another. Later currency and coins were introduced. Different country has different currency. The type of money used in a particular country is called its currency. Currency is made in notes and coins. All the coins and notes with different denomination are called money. Children, today we are going to discuss chapter 11, Money. Look at these pictures. When we go shopping, we pay money for the goods that we buy. We need money for everything. The money needed to buy a thing is called its cost. Here is a ball. The cost of the ball is rupee 150. See this ball. The cost of this ball is 150 rupee. What is the cost of this book? The cost of this book is rupees 400. The pant cost rupees 800. And this jacket is here is rupees 600. This pair of shoes is rupees 700. In India, the unit of money is rupee. We express the Indian money in terms of rupees and paise. We use P to write paise, RE to write rupee and RS to write rupees. Also we use a dot to separate rupees and paise. Our Indian government has introduced the symbol for denoting rupees as shown here. In India, we use rupees as bigger unit of money and paise as the smaller unit. As we know that 100 paise equal to 1 rupees. We can write money in words and in figures. For example, in words, we write rupees 50 and paise 50. In figures, we can also write money in long form and in short form. In long form, we write this amount 50 rupees 50 paise like this. In short form, first we write the symbol of rupees and then 50.50 rupee. Remember, the point separates the rupees and paise. The number on the left side of the point shows rupees and the number on the right side shows paise. When using the point, only the unit or rupee is written before the amount. There should always be 2 digits after the point to separate paise. For example, 5 rupees and 7 paise is written rupee 5.07. It is not written as rupee 5.7. Coins in circulation. Look at here. This is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. Coins of 1 paise, 2 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise and 50 paise are not in circulation. Notes in circulation. See 5 rupee note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 1 rupee note, 2000 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 2 rupees note. These notes are in circulation. Conversion. Conversion of money. Rupees into paise. To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the amount in rupees by 100. Look at this example. Rupees 500. 5 multiply 100 paise equal to 500 paise. To convert rupees and paise into paise, we multiply the amount in rupees by 100 and add the number of paise to it. Mentally, to convert rupees into paise, we put 2 zeros after the amount of rupees. Look at this example, rupees 25 equal to 2500 paise. Mentally, remove the point and rupee symbol and write paise. Look at this example. How can we convert this amount into paise? See, rupee 45.80 equal to 4580 paise. Here we remove the symbol of rupee and this point to convert this amount into paise. Changing paise into rupees. To convert paise into rupees, we divide the amount in paise by 100. For example, 1500 paise equal to 1500 divided by 100 equal to rupees 15. We can also do it mentally. Mentally, remove the zeros and write rupee before the numeral. To convert paise, simply put a dot before the second digit from the right. For example, 2078 paise. How can we convert it into rupee? Simply, we put a dot before the second digit from the right. From the right, 8 is the first digit and 7 is the second digit. So, before the second digit, we put a dot. See here. And then give the symbol of rupee. This way, we can convert paise into rupees and paise. Children, I hope you all have understood the